Discover how to efficiently navigate and utilize the features within the Market Profile menu. From selecting options to going with multiple windows, this guide will help you navigate better. You can choose from a number of instruments to choosing how to display these instruments in 2-window, 3-window, 4-window, and even 6-window modes. Click here on the hamburger in the top left. Access the Market Profile Chart section. Enter Bank Nifty in the designated field. Select the Nifty option or whatever instrument you would require from the drop-down here. Click the selected button. Here you can adjust your TPO size. You can go from 1 TPO to 6 TPO. We recommend a size of 1 TPO for an instrument trading near 10,000 rupees, 2 for instrument of 20,000, and 4 for 40,000. Likewise, you can use a TPO of 0.1 for instrument under 100. Select this field. Navigate to this section. Select the Nifty option. You can add the second option here now, for example Bank Nifty here. You can also add the future to the left and an ATM option to the right. Select this option for a 2-window mode. Navigate here for a 3-window mode. Select the BANKNIFTY option and 2 other instruments down below. Choose the Nifty option. Select the Nifty option. You can add an option strike in this field also. Select the ITM or ATM option here. Enter 22,500 in the specified field. Select the NIFTY 22500 PEO2 May 2024 option. Enter 22,500 in the specified field. Select the Nifty 22,500 CEO2 May 2024 option. Enter 22,600 in the specified field. Select the NIFTY 22600 PEO2 May 2024 option. Click here. Click the selected button. This tutorial covered how to use the Market Profile charts more effectively. We spoke about the multiple window options available. Join up for the next one.